All right, let's take Matthew real quick. No, I think Red Team already did.
Sorry,
Right.
I was the understudy for her. I forgot to bring my hand down. Sorry about
Oh, no
that.
worries. Okay, thank you, Matthew. No problem. Okay, let's take Abby. Go ahead, Abby. Go ahead, Abby.
Hello, everyone. So I will be sharing for Group Orange, and this is the new user access testing report. So the executive summary shows that as part of the ITGC walkthrough, new user access provisioning in Active Directory was reviewed, and out of 30 newly created accounts, 5 were tested. One exception was identified, and an account was created without HR validation. So while most accounts complied with policy, this exception highlights a risk to user access governance and compliance. So we have the focus the scope basically the scope shows that the focus was the new user account provisioning in Active Directory. The objectives were to confirm HR initiation and manager approval, to validate timely provisioning, and to ensure least privilege access. Now the policy reference is the Skillweed Healthcare ITGC logical access. So the methodology shows that the population was 30 new Active Directory accounts. The sample was 5 randomly selected accounts. The testing steps shows that we checked the HR request and approval. We validated the provisional timeline, and we reviewed access levels for least privilege. And what we found out was 4 users were compliant with HR request, approval, and least privilege access. But we have an exception of just 1 user, and it shows that this account was created without HR validation. And we have the graphical rep that shows that there was just 1 exception, and 4 were compliant, so which shows like 80% compliance rate. So the conclusion and recommendation shows that overall process is generally followed, 80% compliance. Exception shows HR validation not consistently enforced, and the recommendation is we reinforce HR initiation and approval requirements, and we also implement automated controls to prevent account creation without HR validation. So that's the end of the.
Thank you so much, bro. Let me ask you, Abby, what tool did you guys use here? Is it just PowerPoint or did you use a tool to generate this?
So we initially used ChatGPT, and
Okay.
then ChatGPT created a PowerPoint for us to download, but we now use
Okay, modified
PowerPoint
it.
to modify, yeah. So this is just
Okay, got
PowerPoint.
it. Okay, awesome. Thank you so much. I can see a lot of use Cloudy, PowerPoint, Gamma. The beautiful thing is that we use different flavor of AI here, so that's awesome. So at least people can learn from, that was good. Thank you so much, Abby. I appreciate it.